How to create a link in Google Meet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a link in Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing platform developed by Google. Now to create a link on your Google Meet, first of all you will have to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the home page of the browser, you'll have to type Google Meet on the address bar of your browser. After typing the Google Meet, press enter to browse it. Wait for a while until you reach to this page. Here click on the first link that says googlemeet.com. Then you'll be redirected to a new page. Here at the left side you will find New Meeting option. Go ahead and click on that option. And from the menu that appears, select any one of the options based on your preference. Here I am going to select Start an Instant Meeting so that I could start a new meeting instantly. Once you click on it, you will start joining the meeting. Wait for a while until the meeting starts. Right after you start the meeting, you will find the pop-up window at the left side. There you will find the link of your meeting. Now to copy this link, you'll have to click on this copy link icon at the right side of the link and then it will be copied. Now you can paste the copied link into an email, message or any other platform you prefer to share with your desired participants. This link will allow others to join the meeting directly if they have the necessary permissions and the meeting is currently active. So in this way you can create a link and share it with your friends in a Google Meet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.